What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the Lawn Shark channel. So today is an absolutely gorgeous day. It is what we call a Chamber of Commerce sort of day. The weather is perfect. There's not a cloud in the sky. The humidity is low. It's only about 64 degrees. At the end of the week, or actually in the middle of the week, we're supposed to be up into the 90s. So today is the day that I just want to be outside. It also happens to be Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all of you moms out there, especially my wife. I do want to make it clear that she was all for me fertilizing my lawn today. She knew it was only going to take me a minute while the girls are getting stuff ready for her Mother's Day. And then she and I are going to go to the Nashville SC soccer game this afternoon. We have got season tickets this year. So I've got just enough time for me to put this stuff down and then move on for the day. But for all of you that are moms out there and watch the channel, happy Mother's Day, and I hope you guys have a very blessed day today. So today we're going to get to this pretty quickly. We're going to be doing a little bit of fertilization. Last couple weeks we've been dealing mostly with herbicides, with both the T-zone and the fungicide. And so we're finally getting into that part of the summer where we are going to start doing a lot more fertilization. And I want to try and put down some sort of nitrogen every 30 to 45 days or so. So we're kind of at that point where we need to do that. So I'm going to be using the 801 GreenePunch, which is but mostly nitrogen and just a little bit of potassium. And then I'm also going to be putting in some RGS. Now, typically, you guys know I like to use the hose-in sprayer, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to actually use my pump sprayer, which is actually battery powered. And the reason why is because the RGS tends to clog up that hose-in sprayer a little bit. And I think this will just be a better tool for us to use for today. For the mix for today is about 3 ounces per 1,000 for the RGS, and for the GreenePunch it's 12 to 18 ounces. And that's the other reason. It's just a lot of product for you to try and fit into that little hose-in sprayer, and you have to be moving pretty quickly to get it down. So it's going to be a lot easier for me to just put it into the pump sprayer. And then I'm going to be doubling up the batch, because this is a 2-gallon, so we'll be using a gallon of water for each one of the mixes. So basically, whatever that math is, 36 ounces or so of the GreenePunch, and then about 6 ounces of the RGS, and that'll cover the front. And then we'll turn around, do the same thing for the back. So let's just get to it. Oh, also another thing, as far as PPE is concerned, I like to use glasses just because, if you do have a little bit of a breeze, which we do today, you want to make sure it's not blowing back on you. This stuff isn't really that harmful for you. It's not like an herbicide that's actually going to kill something, but you do want to still be careful. The biggest thing with this stuff is that it is really dark, and if you don't wear gloves, it could stain your hands. And so I'll be using boots because, boots and shorts are super sexy. And so we're just going to go ahead and do that. And also by wearing glasses with those boots, it kind of offsets the non-sexiness of it. So you kind of get a neutral sexy, if you know what I mean. So that's kind of what we're going to go for today, is just kind of be kind of neutral, because I am 54 years old and there's nothing sexy about a 54-year-old dad bod. So let's just move on with this. We're going to be putting this down, and let's get this mixing, and we'll get to it so that I can get to my soccer game with my wife in a bit. Alright folks, well that's it. We are done. We finally finished off everything back here. We've got all the fertilizer down. One thing to keep in mind is you do want to water this in. Make sure we get lots and lots of water on this, and then you should be pretty good. We'll check back in about a week at our next video. Not sure what we're doing next. All I know is you got planes flying over, and that's okay. But again, happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. I'm gonna go take off and hang out with my wife at a soccer game now, so hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you all on the next one. Oh, and one more thing. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for all the subscribers that are out there. And if you want to be notified of future videos, don't forget to hit that bell. And we'll see you on the next one. Have a great week, everybody.